Hi friends, welcome to GCM at Home. Today we're going to read one of my very favorite books that I used to read to my boys when they were little. It's called The Little Mouse, the Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Hungry Bear. Here we go. The Little Mouse, the Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Hungry Bear by Dawn and Audrey Wood. Illustrated by Dawn Wood. You're gonna love these illustrations. Hello, little mouse. What are you doing? Oh, I see. Are you going to pick that red ripe strawberry? But little mouse, haven't you heard about the big hungry bear? Oh, how that bear loves red ripe strawberries. The big hungry bear can smell a red ripe strawberry a mile away. Especially one that has just been picked. Boom, boom, boom. The bear will tramp through the forest on his big, hungry feet and sniff, 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 find the strawberry. No matter where it is hidden. Or who is guarding it. Or how it is disguised. Quick! There's only one way in the whole wide world to save a red ripe strawberry from the big hungry bear. Cut it in two. Share half with me. And we'll both eat it all up. Yum! Now, that's one red ripe strawberry the big hungry bear will never get. The end. And guess what I have? I cut my strawberry in half. Half for you and half for me. Have a great day.